Hello Earthlings, Ultraviolet Ronald from the Bronx here. Today we're gonna get to part 21 of the Wraparound Box series. We're halfway through with it. Today we're gonna be focusing on all of the past 20 sessions and putting it into play. Actually learning how to shadow box like a skilled boxer, focusing on movement while throwing punches throughout the process. Have fun, do this as many times as you need to get a good workout, and if you need some more to get some more, but other than that, let's begin. All right, round one, we're gonna get nice, loose and limbered. We're gonna be moving around, making sure we're not crossing our feet, keeping those hands up, staying nice and loose. Don't tense those shoulders, tucking that chin. All right, after you feel your arms are loose, you're gonna throw that jab out. You don't wanna telegraph it, so you're throwing it right from the guard. No need to cock it back. Jab, jabbing it out. This is the most important punch. This punch should be used for distance management and to find your opponent. Because if you don't use it as a rangefinder, it makes it a lot harder for you to land those knockout blows. Again, we're moving around, not crossing those legs. Double jab. All right, staying nice and loose on those toes. All right, feint jab, throwing that jab out a quarter of the way. And you got to really sell it on that feint for them to take that bait. Right after they take it, jab. Hands right back up. All right, double jab. Nice and loose. Jab body. Feint jab, jab body, right back. Keeping it loose. All right, going side to side. Want to trick them. All right, you're blocking right, left, body. All right, now you're slipping left, slipping right, jab. Step back, jab. All right, now double jab. Triple jab. Right back to the head. Jab body, jab head. Jab head, jab body, step back. You're always gonna get out of range. And you wanna be a hard target. You don't wanna stand right in front of your opponent. All right, slip right. Slip left, making sure your head breaks that center line. Dip right, dip left, jab. Dip, jab. Roll left, roll right, jab, jab. Keeping that guard up. Block, jab. All right, double block jab. All right, now really think about what it is that you did. I want you to hone in on that jab because that is the most important punch in the sport, again, for distance management and controlling range. And you wanna pop that sucker out there so they know when they get hit with that jab, whatever other punch may come after that is gonna be equally, if not more powerful. So, use it with purpose and use it with pride. Because a lot of people that start out, they neglect the jab. Makes no sense to neglect the jab. All right, so we're right back at it, keeping that nice mid to high guard. Now we're gonna throw the cross in there. Feint, jab. All right, feint, cross. Throwing it right from the cheek. Make sure you're rotating your hips as you're throwing that cross and pivoting that back foot, but you don't need to always pivot that back foot. Just make sure your whole body's turning into it. All right, step forward, jab, cross. Again. Step back with the jab. All right, step back, double jab. Jab, cross. All right, slip left, slip right. Jab, slip, cross. Jab, right back. All right, rolling to the left, jab. All right, roll to the left, jab, cross. Right back to guard. Making sure those feet don't cross. Your posture's straight. You're not leaning too far forward or you're not leaning too far back. Staying good and standoffish with that posture. All right, feint, double jab. All right, jab, cross head, jab, cross body. Right back. All right, again, now we're gonna add that left hook into it. Jab, left hook. I know it's gonna feel a little awkward at first. Jab, left hook. You don't need to wind up. You slightly pull back and bam, try to throw as much power. All right, again, jab, left hook. Right back to guard. All right, jab, cross, left hook. Keeping those hands up. Block left, block right. Roll left, roll right. Moving around. Pivoting to the left. Double jab. Pivot to the right. Cross. Step back. Left hook. Step back. Left hook. Cross. Right back. All right, now we're gonna start adding uppercuts and going more to the body with the left hook or right hook. I know it's a lot to take in, but remember, we're bringing everything from which we learned from the past 20 sessions into today, because I want to make sure you understand shadow boxing, because if you're really good at the shadow boxing, everything from it carries over. So if you have poor technique, it's going to show in the ring. If you have poor technique, it's going to show in the bag. All right, let's get it. Last round. Let's get it. We're going to bounce around. Bounce around for victory. And again, to confuse your opponent, going from left to right, jab. All right, from the jab to the head, we're going to do a right uppercut to the body. Step back, always want to get out of range. Jab, slip left. All right, so we're going to jab, slip left, left uppercut. All right, again, step back. All right, same movement, but we're going to add the left upper. We're going to add the left hook. Staying true to that guard. Again, same movement, then we're going to add the cross after. Step back. All right, moving around, switching it up on them. You don't want to be predictable. Jab, double jab, left hook body, but when it's from, you want to lead from it with a feint, right back. Right hook body, again from a feint, right back. All right, blitz, double jab cross, step back. All right, we're going to do that again. We'll go to the right, and then go to the left. Staying with that guard, jab head, cross body, keeping those elbows in, making sure that technique is there, and having fun in the process. Move that head, roll left, roll right, double jab, step back, cross. Again. All right, want to feint with that jab, then step back, left hook. Again, but again, add the cross. All right, left, right uppercut body. After rolling, step back, move to the left. Make sure those feet don't cross. Blitz, jab, cross, jab, cross. Step back with the jab. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. Don't forget to practice as much and as often as you can. That's how you get better at technique. Film yourself, look at yourself in the mirror, because that's going to be the difference between you not having that technique down or the form down and you repeatedly, constantly making those mistakes, unless you have a coach. But again, thank you for joining me on this journey to the ultraviolet. If you liked the video, please comment and subscribe. Look out for part 22 and always work towards becoming your greatest version.